Good morning, students. Today I am starting with the lesson 1, that is spatial understanding. This lesson mainly deals with the vocabulary relationship such as top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before, after. Now let us start with the first one, that is top, bottom. Now consider a book. Consider a book. And if I place this pen here, the pen is on the top of the book. Okay. And if I place the same pen at the here and keep the book is over, then I can say that the book is at the top of the pen and the pen is bottom of the book. Another thing, I'll keep here the two boxes. Now there is a question like tick the box which is at the top. You have to tick this box and this box is at the bottom. Next one, on, under. For that, let us consider the same example. The flower pot is on the book. Okay. Next, same thing, and the notebook is under the textbook. Understood? Or another example, pen is on the book and the pen is under the book. If I place the same pen under the book. Next one, inside, outside. Inside means the paper is inside the book and the pen is also inside the book and the red ink pen is outside the book. Blue ink pen is inside the book, red ink pen is outside the book. Next, above and below. The pen is above the, consider the example. If I place this flower pot, the pot is, consider this flower pot, the pot is at the bottom and the flower is at the top. Okay. Or as an example, consider here the flower is at the top and book is at the bottom. Flower is at the top, flower is at the top and book is at the bottom. Next one, near and far. Now consider 4 things. Let this problem it. Second one, third one, and keep the fourth one here. And pen here. Here, pen and book box are close to each other, whereas this box and this box are bit far, and whereas these 3 are near to each other, and this box is far from this box. Next one, before and after. Now consider this flower pot. This is before lightning. If I open this, consider this flower pot. This is before opening. After opening, it will be like this. So this is before opening, this is after opening. Got no, students? The relationship between top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before and after. Now I am again giving the simple examples, top and bottom. Here, consider this pen. This pen is at the top of the book and the 2 boxes. And the book is at the bottom. On and under means the pen is on the book. And if I place the same pen here, it will be under the book. Next, inside, outside. Here, this pen is inside the book. This pen is outside the book. Next, above, below. This box is above the other box, and the other box is above this box. See, this box is above this box, and this box is below this box. Okay. Near, far. If I place this and this box, then these two are near, whereas this is far. This is far, and these two are near. Next, before and after. For this is before opening. This will be after opening. Thank you.